Hi everyone, thanks for coming to listen to me. Let's see if this works. Yay. Okay. Let me take you back in technology, not in time, when people are using PayPerMail. So why is still everyone? Well, let's look at numbers. It's probably about 400 million PayPerMail sent daily, and if we look at the numbers in emails, not just messengers. I'm not even talking about messengers, but I'm talking about emails, electronic mail. There's about 1,000 times more, 400 billion emails sent daily. Why does this happen? First, emails are free, yeah, but are really post stamps expensive? No, they're not expensive. Everybody can afford a post stamp. So why is it so dominant? Why emails are so dominant over PayPerMail? Well, because you don't need to go to because you don't need to go buy post stamps. Buying post stamps is a bigger hurdle than actual money it costs, than actual pain. So it's not only the fact that it's free, but it's the fact that it's convenient. It's right at your hands. You can type your email and send it. You don't need to go to the post office. You don't need to go buy anything. So that's why Web 2.0 is so convenient. Everybody's happy using it because they can go. It's straightforward. You can go and do stuff right away. And of course, it's free because monetization is seamless to the users. I use Gmail for free because my neighbor clicked on that ad and bought his lawnmower last month. And the Gmail becomes free for the whole neighborhood, by the way. And of course, many people can use it. It's very, very convenient. But, well, what's the catch? What's the catch? Well, the catch is that lawnmower could probably have cost less, maybe even twice less, if there was not overhead in advertising. For example, I'm slightly moving you towards that. Nothing comes for free. We're being used somehow. And enter Web 3. Oops. Well, the Web 3 is not that perfect yet. We're not there yet. Getting back to my comparison to PayPerMail, we need to pay for transactions. Imagine you are trying to use a Web3 application or decentralized application. The first thing you do, you open the web page, and you figure, okay, probably, I have zero balance. I need some coins. I don't have any coins to use that application to pay for transactions. What do? I go to CoinMarketCap. I find this coin on CoinMarketCap. I find the exchanges it's traded on. I figure out, okay, I'm not registered on that exchange yet. Okay, I need to go register there. And then I figure out, oh no, I need to pass the KYC to buy this little coin. I pass the KYC, I probably wait for a day for it. Then I use my precious credit card just to buy a little bit of this coin to transfer it back. Then I'm transferring it back. I need to figure out how to store my seed securely so that it doesn't disappear. And finally, I'm back to the website of the D app. I'm paying for the transaction. It's just few cents. It's not. Oh, everybody can afford it, but see how many steps I made to do that. And probably I get lost part of it because it's hard to predict the transaction amount, the transaction fee amount. I will probably lose part of my coin that I purchased, just because I'm not going to be bothering to send it back to the exchange and sell it. Okay, well, and of course there are good news. So just imagine for a moment you're the user that makes a transaction. With Substrate, it's possible that the address that sends the transaction is not the same address that pays fees. Substrate is flexible. So we can use another account for that is more interested in keeping the large amount of coin and paying for their users' transactions. It doesn't have to be some sponsor that sponsors everybody in the network. It can be just the application developer or publisher who knows how to monetize their users otherwise. So you can it's already in production. We developed the Palett. It's on our GitHub. You can take it and insert it in your runtimes if you're developers on Substrate. Please feel free to use it. Here's a good example of how it works. You can visit our marketplace, uniquenifty.io, unqnft.io, and you can notice if you have Kusama, you can purchase an NFT on it. But you would not have to deal with Quartz, QTZ. That's the native token for our Quartz network. Even though the marketplace is powered purely by the Quartz network. But you don't need to own Quartz or you don't need to pay Quartz because every single transaction on Quartz is sponsored for that marketplace. So another, of course, sponsoring doesn't come for free. So the biggest problem, of course, is the attacks that become possible, the sponsor attacks. The malicious player may use too many free transactions to just deplete sponsors' wallet. They won't be able to take advantage of it, but they still make some harm. The answer to this is rate limiting. We're implementing that rate limiting based on NFTs. Every NFT can be transferred once per that many hours, for example. You can set it up based on the NFT collection or your particular case. Maybe you just don't want it to be transferred every block for free. You want it to be transferred every 24 hours for free. And then users will have to pay. So that's what's one of the solutions how to protect the sponsor. Another one is rate limit based on the allow list addresses, because we're also sponsoring the smart contracts. And of course, in the network, we have, the application developers are not the only players, or users are not the only players. We sometimes have applications that application developers that can develop great applications, but sponsoring can get costly because of the number of users they want to attract. And they may not have enough money or enough Quartz to sponsor themselves. And in that case, we attract another type of user, the staker, the holders, the Quartz holders who don't know what to do with the Quartz. They can stake their Quartz in the promo fund that will be using this Quartz to sponsor applications. When the applications graduate from sponsorship program, they will start producing successful applications. They will start producing the transaction fees, and these transaction fees will be shared with these users who previously staked. So stakers not only receive rewards right away, they start receiving rewards right away, but also they will keep receiving rewards, and the rewards will accumulate, and their amount will be greater and greater over time as we have more successful applications. So this is how I think the staking should work in parachains, because otherwise, this is the most sensible way to stake that we could come up with. Otherwise, the staking doesn't add to security or anything. But this is very practical way of staking. I can come up with a few use cases for the ecosystem that haven't been implemented yet. And can easily be implemented using the sponsor and Palett. You could, for example, if you are using the Karura swap, you could swap AUSD for KSM on Karura. You don't need to deal with Karura token. It's unnecessary element. And because the swap fee is already taken from you in AUSD or Kusama coin, it can be easily converted into Karura and used as an application, as a network fee instead of the network fee. So this is the example how to monetize application and use it for sponsoring. Remark, everybody's heard of Remark. We can equip canaries without friction. Why would you need any token to equip? You're playing the game. You can, and you're using the marketplace after all. Something can come for free. In Subsocial, you could allow the first record for free, third post for free, just to attract more users. This is similar idea to freemium gaming, when we attract users that come to the network and don't know what to do yet. We need to demonstrate them somehow some capabilities. And my favorite topic is voting. Sometimes I don't even vote on Kusama, even though I have a couple of Kusama, I can vote. But I don't do this because I know my Kusama will be taken away from me just for expressing my opinion. This shouldn't happen. I should be able to vote for free. I'm making something good for the system. Yep, that's another example. It's not even friction case because I already have Kusama to pay for a transaction. But that's just the idea that it's taken away from me for doing something good for the system. There we go. These are old slides, I think, but that's okay. So some out of ecosystem gaming use cases. This is many games require NFT to get started. Users may buy these NFTs, or users may get these NFTs for free, and in that case, they will be they can start using it, making transactions in the game, just without any game token or anything. They can just get started easily. And another case where I would like to show it how this works. This is a refractionalization campaign that we're running. You can scan this QR code and it will take you to the Telegram bot that will ask you for the address. We will be given a free piece of CryptoPunk because we have purchased a CryptoPunk and we have split it into, we're going to split it into 100,000 pieces and give these pieces away for free. This is going to be powered by a smart contract, a claiming smart contract. This is also going to be sponsored. So once you visit the web page that allows you to claim your free piece of CryptoPunk, you would not need to pay transaction fees. You will be able just to claim and see it in your wallet. So that's another good example of how we can use sponsoring. And yep, I think I'm finished with my slides. Do you have any questions?